Congratulations, Master Daniel Trump. You have won the elections of the United States of America. I am very happy for you, my friend. I know there have been a lot of Somali people voting against you, but I have been with you through hard and easy, so I hope you pay it back, motherfucker. I also realize people have been calling you stupid, racist, yellow-haired, damn idiot, but I am not one of them. Believe me, I was not one of them. I did not call you that. I never ever tweeted or posted on Facebook anything bad about you, Mr. President. Not even your mosquito-looking wife. So I hope you understand I have been on your side the whole time. So I hope you do not cut my food stamps and do not stop my SSI, and sure as hell you do not interfere with my 3 Section 8. I hope you do not. Take this advice from me. Do not stop the chat. We Somali people are very busy with chat. If you stop the chat, we will be busy for what you have, and that's not good for you. Guusayale! Wata, kumayda kurta tumaysa. Way, sa bararanaysa, balmada ka tadreeske. Yadi ba chat do kaawiyado ba makasa kulay wada ma maamulaya. Kumayda isjeeta. To all these people who have been trying to run away from this country, remember the airport is closed. You are not going anywhere until you pay back all the food stamps and child care you have been getting.